Today at Hello Annie, I'm going to show you how to make this incredible salad called Cowboy Caviar. A fresh simple dip that can be thrown together in just under 15 minutes. It is absolutely delicious. I have a small red onion that I'm going to chop really finely, just a few teaspoons, a green bell pepper. We want to de-seed and cut out the membranes. And then you want to slice it in thin strips and chop it finely. Next, we're going to de-seed the tomatoes as well, just to not make the salad too watery. Just scoop it out with a spoon. You want to slice and chop it the same size, just as the pepper, nice and small. And to add a kick of spice, we're gonna add 1 serrano pepper. I'm gonna de-seed and cut out the membrane as well and chop this really finely. Next, we chop a little bit of cilantro. You can leave it out if you're not a fan. Then you want to slice and cube 1 avocado. Just cube it straight out, and then we're going to get ready to assemble our salad. To a large bowl, add black beans, black-eyed peas, the tomatoes, onion, corn, bell pepper, and lastly add the avocado, the serrano pepper, and the cilantro. Now let's make a quick dressing. In a small bowl, whisk together the oil, lime juice, sea salt, pepper. If you like, you can add 1 teaspoon of ground garlic as well. Some ground cumin, and then we're going to give it a good mix. Pour the dressing all over the salad, taste to see if seasoning needs to be adjusted, and serve with tortilla chips and a few drops of your favorite hot sauce. Enjoy!